Hi guys, it is HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how fix problem when games not visible in Google Play Store on your VIVO Y19. The first step, I will show you what I have on my menu. We try to install maybe teamfight tactic games. We search it, but we can't download it. We can't do that anything with it. To fix it, we must go back to the main menu of our Google Play Store, where we tap on our photo on the right corner, and there we go to the settings. Now, family and parental controls. And you can see now we have PG3 apply. To download teamfight tactics, we must change it to PG16 or old PG. To do that, we click there, enter connect pin to parental control, and now we change it to PG16. And now confirm by got it and save. We go back to our teamfight tactic game, and now we can install it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.